How to delete phone number on Snapchat. So if you want to delete phone number on Snapchat, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now you need to go with the upper left, which has that profile option. Once you go with profile, you need to go with settings, which is again on the upper right. Now you just need to simply tap on mobile number. Once you tap on mobile number, you will be able to have your mobile number. You can see the mobile number right here. So if you want to remove or delete the phone number, then what you need to do is you need to simply remove the number which you have right now, and you need to add another number, because without the phone number you'll not be able to use your Snapchat. So what you need to do is just remove the number and add another number, and once you've added another number, you need to tap on verify, which is on the bottom, and you'll receive a code to that new number, and you need to enter the code right here. And once you're verified with your new number, then your old number will be automatically removed or deleted from your Snapchat. In this way, you'll be able to delete your phone number on your Snapchat, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.